What's up? It's Kat. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here. Super quick, I just wanted to mention, and then we'll hop back into the normal vlog, but if you may or may not have noticed, I did change my name on YouTube to Katherine May versus Kat May. My real name is Katherine, if you didn't know. Still, my nickname is still Kat, but as far as my YouTube channel and, you know, kind of branding myself like that, I think Katherine May sounds a lot nicer, and it's my real name, so that's a little update. So look out for videos from Katherine May now. All right, let's get back to the vlog. Today we're gonna be starting a week in my life. It's currently Tuesday, May 28th. Yesterday was Memorial Day, so didn't have work, but today I just got home. It's currently like 5:30, and I actually just got 2 packages, so I'm so excited. I wanna share them with you. So tomorrow's my dad's birthday. It's on Facebook. He's obsessed with Facebook. Comment down below if your parents are also obsessed with Facebook. He posted this thing of a coffee mug that was this coffee mug, and he was like, I want this, period. And then he just posted a picture of it. So I did a little research, little digging, and I found it on Amazon. Little backstory, he has a PhD in math. He's like obsessed with math. So, oh, it's on both sides. It says all you need is love, and then the math problems to make the little graphs spell love. And then for this one, we're gonna come over to my dining room to open it because I did not realize how difficult it would be to find an oval tablecloth. Like, nobody sells them anymore, it's crazy. So finally I just ordered one on Amazon, and it came today. I got like a tan one because I thought that would match well with my couch and my chair. That's kind of like a tan theme. As you can tell, I'll clearly have to iron this, but I don't have an iron, so gonna have to wait till I go home next and I'll use my mom's. I know I'm such a grown-up. The placemats and these flowers are both from TJ Maxx. These are actually fake. How crazy is that? These are like those fake vase of flower type things, but I think they're gorgeous. I feel like my whole little dining room area looks so cute, minus that section. This is all random stuff that just has to get sorted through, so I'm gonna have to do that. Normally, I like to try and have as little clutter as possible around my place, but you know, I've still recently moving, so give this video a thumbs up if you agree that the best part of the day is when you can get home and put on a big t-shirt and underpants. For dinner right now, I'm actually gonna make some protein pasta and then have it with my veggie meatballs, which I'll show you in a sec. And then I'm gonna have this for lunch for the next couple days. So I'm kind of gonna quickly meal prep for lunch for the next few days as well. And I'll worry about separating it into like containers for my lunch for the next few days later because I'm so hungry. But I'm going to put a couple of these in the microwave. These are just the Gardein classic meatless meatballs. These are freaking delicious. Like, even if you eat meat, I recommend these. For 3 meatballs, it's 150 calories, 7 grams of fat, 9 carbs, and only 1 gram of sugar and 14 grams of protein, so it's pretty good. And literally, I just take 3 of these, plop them in my bowl, and I'm gonna put it in the microwave for like 2 minutes, not 1 minute, 45 seconds actually. This is just some roasted garlic pasta sauce. Very good. Fun fact, if you have a smart TV, the Roku TV, and you lose your remote, you can actually download a remote on your phone. Just a little fun fact. I lost my remote to my TV and I was able to download it, so I could still use a remote. I didn't have to buy a new one. But anyways, I'm just sitting here now, got my dinner, some water. Gonna finish watching The Bachelorette now. It's now the next morning, and unfortunately, I do not have any coffee left. So I'm gonna end up actually just stopping at Dunkin' on my way to work and getting a coffee. And then after work, I'll have to go buy more. But for right now, I have this little smoothie bar set up. I'm just gonna make a quick smoothie. So I start off with just a banana, and then I mix in some kale, spinach, lots of healthy greens, some strawberries, some lemon infused water, which was in the fridge, so it's nice and cold, and then just some vanilla protein powder. Hey guys, welcome back. So surprise, surprise, didn't get coffee last night, so I still didn't have coffee this morning. Yesterday, I just got coffee, like when I got into work, I had some, but I'm working from home today. My job is really awesome, and sometimes I'm able to work from home, so it's currently like 6 something in the morning, so I just decided to run over to Dunkin' super quick, and I'm gonna get some coffee and a bagel. I think I'm gonna get a bagel too, I'm really excited. Also, do y'all like this big fuzzy sweater I'm wearing. It's actually Tim's. It's like the most comfortable thing in the whole wide world. It's ridiculous. It's the end of May. It's almost June and it's still kind of cold. It's currently 54 degrees outside. That's pretty cold, especially for May. That's cold. Got my Dunkin'. I wanted to share this sweatshirt with you guys. Look how big this is. And it's so soft and fuzzy. It's so comfortable. It's not mine, if you're curious. It's Tim's sweatshirt, but I really like wearing it. And when I work from home, I normally like to start a little bit earlier. I'll typically open my computer at like 7:30. So I'm gonna probably get to work pretty soon. Hi guys, it's a lot later. I'm with my mom. Say hi, Mom.
Hi Mom.
And Annie in the back, my sister. We just went to Starbucks. Now we're on our way to Walmart. I always used to get the Cool Lime refreshers. They were my favorite, and so of course I tried to order it. I haven't gotten them in so long, and apparently they discontinued them like forever ago.
Monsters. So
that sucks. But I decided to try the strawberry acai refresher, and this one's actually really good too. So I definitely recommend it. Is it good? This isn't the Cool Lime though. This is the strawberry.
Can I try?
I don't know, 2 something. But now we're at Walmart. I have so many different things I have to purchase here.
Purchase?
Yeah. Hey there. So it's a lot later. It's now like, what time is it? 9:05 p.m. and I'm actually just sitting here on my couch working on the plan and script for a video that I'm filming tomorrow. It's gonna be 5 steps to actually get a job after college and different tips for the job hunting process and job search process post-grad. And that video is going to be going up on Sunday, June 9th. Yeah, so if you're not subscribed already, you should totally subscribe and turn on my notifications so that you are notified when that video goes up. That's kind of the plan right now. I'm just going to finish editing and then hopefully try and get to bed by like 9:30, 10ish. It's currently 9 and I'm pretty close to being done. And then I'll see y'all in the morning to film the video. Good morning, guys. I'm here with my iced coffee. It's delicious. I got up, got ready to film, have everything pretty much planned so that I can start filming my video like about getting a job, and there are these birds right outside my window. I'll show you in a sec. That will not stop chirping, like so loud. Actually, they've just stopped. Wow, when I said that, they literally just stopped. I should probably just hop on my bed and start filming immediately, and hopefully they'll not start again. I'm gonna finish setting up this little section so I can film real quick, and then we're gonna get to filming because then I gotta go to work. Birds stopped chirping and we got like halfway through filming, but now they're mowing the lawn outside. I'm all set up. It's currently filming and I got my coffee, I'm a plan, and I've been doing great. I should be grateful. I should be grateful that there are people mowing the lawn. I live in a condo, so you know the condo association has people come do the land work and everything. Now I know that if I want to film a video in the morning, I have to start it before like 7:30. Like I have to be done by 7:30 because they do the yard work. Although I think it's only on Fridays, so I just can't film Friday mornings, I guess, anymore. But that's okay. I'm gonna finish filming this video tomorrow morning. I may end up just refilming it, I don't know, but that will be tomorrow morning. But before I head out, since I have a little extra time now because I can't finish filming, I'm going to put a couple curls in my hair. So obviously if y'all aren't new here, you've seen me, you know, do my hair and makeup, or not my makeup, but just my hair in front of this mirror. And I would always just like leave all my hair stuff out on the floor. But Tim's mom had given me this basket for Easter and I think it's so adorable, but I didn't know what to do with it. And then I was like, this is perfect. I just put all my hair stuff in here because this is where I do my hair every morning. So it doesn't make sense to put that stuff in the other room. So, you know, and then if I have guests over, I can just take this basket and throw it in my room so it's not there, but I think this is so perfect. Hi guys, so I'm about to head out for work. It's like 8 o'clock right now, but I just wanted to do a quick little outfit of the day. It's not gonna take that long because it's literally just a dress. This dress is from TJ Maxx, and then my shoes are just these little flats from also TJ Maxx. I'm really TJ Maxxed out today. I love this dress, and it's like, it's gonna be like 75, 80 degrees today, so I'm so excited. It's like such a summer day. Last day of May, tomorrow's June. Okay, I gotta go to work now. I'll see y'all later. As you can see, I'm no longer wearing the yellow dress that I had on. Very disappointed about that. I walked out to my car, and once I got out into like the sun, daylight, I guess, I was able to tell. I looked down at my legs and was like, holy cow, my self-tanning job that I did yesterday was horrendous. I guess I kind of rushed yesterday through it. So I was like, okay, well, I guess I can't wear this dress anymore because my legs are not cute right now. So I decided to put on this top, and I'm just wearing some white jeans. So I'll show y'all that when I get home or something. I like can't take my glasses off because these are not prescription sunglasses, but then again, it's too sunny, so I need sunglasses. So this is what I look like. Let me know in the comments if you like these car vlogs and you want me to do more car vlogs. Oh gosh darn it, I'm going through a tunnel if you couldn't tell. It's now 5:30 on Friday. I like literally just walked in. I just got home from work. But as I promised y'all this morning, I wanted to show you my outfit that I ended up changing into. This shirt is from Ann Taylor. Yes, the shirt is from Ann Taylor. And then my jeans are from J. Crew, which I really like these jeans, although I don't like how wrinkly they get. I have these same jeans in a few other colors, and for some reason the white fits a lot differently than the other colors. The other ones seem to fit so much better, but wearing these and then just the same sneakers that I wear all the time. The other day I tried to car vlog and I put it here and then it fell over. So I moved it over there, which is a little better, but it's a lot better, but it's a really bad angle.
Are we getting froyo?
I don't want any, but I'm more than happy to go in there with you.
No, I don't want any either.
Hey guys, we just went and got dinner at Ruby Tuesdays. I got a mojito there. It was good and bad. So it was good because it was very strong. There's lots of alcohol in that thing, but it like tasted gross. Mojitos are normally like my favorite, all-time favorite drink, but this one was just, it didn't taste good, but I still chugged it at the end because like I didn't drink it the whole time we were there, and then at the end I was like, oh, I gotta finish it, so then I chugged it. Also, we went to Lowe's beforehand and I got paint because I'm gonna be painting my office tomorrow and I'm so excited. So yeah, that'll be fun. Hey guys, it's actually now Saturday night. I realized that I never ended this vlog yesterday. Right now I'm just finishing up some editing on my computer and Tim's doing some work on his computer. But I actually did vlog my whole day today as well. That video will be up either Wednesday or next Sunday. I'm not sure yet, so be on the lookout for that. Let me know in the comments if you watched till this part, how long have you been subscribed to me? Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did, and if you want any more vlog, week in my life, life after college type videos, then you can just click the playlist right above me, and I will see y'all in my next video.